Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and hide notes in Messenger. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead first access your Messenger app. Once you have done so, we can find this kind of interface, right, including this plus icon on top that shows where we can go ahead, tap, and add our notes for. And if we do that, you can see it says that friends can see your notes for 24 hours. People won't get a notification regarding that, so nobody will get notified. Well, all of your friends have access to your notes and they will be available for 24 hours, just like your story. So if you do, their friends will definitely be able to see it, right? But one thing that you can do is you can go to this here horizontal line, tap on settings, scroll down, tap on this option called privacy and safety, and here is this option called hidden contacts. So you can see you have hidden these people and their notes from your suggested contacts, but you can still chat with them. So if we have added those person here listed, their notes will be hidden from us. We won't be able to see their notes, but we can still chat them. So you can go ahead as those kind of those by tapping on this icon. You can add them over here and you won't give access to their notes, and that will be it. You can hide your notes that is the way, guys. You can simply go ahead, put them over here and tap on this done, and your notes will be hidden. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.